Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to select the country on the Zapmap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the account section and click to the last option, the app settings. In the user preferences section, you can find the second option, the default country, and click to the arrow, and here you can select different countries, for example United Kingdom, Ireland or other, and just select one, for example the United Kingdom, and click that. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.